father has a severe angina.
Sorry, doctor. What's the meaning of that?
It has to do with the heart. It's a heart infection.
And please, I don't want my father to die. Please help me.
Your father will not die.
Okay.
I'll help you give him a better treatment. Only if you run around and get some money, and you have to do that fast.
I will try my best. I'll try my best. I'll get the money. I'll try my best. I'll be back soon. Thank you.
So funny, she don't kill him. Hey, what kind of life is this? If not dead to be the ultimate, give me my die, Jaja. Poverty's bad. It's bad. Poverty's dangerous. Money can color you. Poverty's bad. Poverty's dangerous. Money can color you. So funny, she don't kill him. Hey, what kind of life is this? If not dead to be the ultimate, give me my die, Jaja. Poverty's bad. It's bad. Poverty's dangerous. Money can color you. Poverty's bad.
Dr. Phil.
How much do you have there?
I didn't count it.
Count it.
Okay. $23,500.
No, this is way too small. You have to raise 100,000 naira.
100,000?
Yes. In our recent test, we discovered that your father has angina, typhoid, and hepatitis B.
Hey. Doctor, I suffered to get this money. To get 100,000 will be very difficult for me. Maybe I'll try again.
No, this is our tradition here. Raise the money.
I'm sorry. Let me try, please. I don't want my father to die, please. Please, help me, doctor. Don't allow my father to die, please. Please, doctor, please. Njabambo.
It was supposed to be 12. Don't play with me like that. You know I don't joke with money. Don't play that kind of stupid play with me. All right, next week is fine. Okay, no problem. All right, now I'll call you back.
I'm sorry to interrupt your call. I've been here waiting. Eh? I want you to help me this time, please. Let me just find a way to solve this thing.
This is getting up.
Hospital bills, they are much on me.
This is getting up. What am I supposed to call the day I met you? What am I supposed to call it? A blessing or a curse? Ever since our reconciliation, this is the only thing you ask me. Help me. Teach me. Beg me. Please me. I thought you said you were ready to do what men do.
I'm ready. Whatever it takes, I will do it. Tell me, how do I go about it? I just need to know how I will go about it. Tell me, I will do it. Biko.
Can you sacrifice blood for money?
Blood?
Can you?
Okay now. Yes, I can do it. Just tell me if it's big ram or pigeon.
Can you sacrifice your father's blood for wealth?
Cherekwa, the blood you were talking about, is it that of a human being? Oh. I got a broken meal to her. No. I cannot sacrifice. You mean I should kill my father? Do you mean I should kill my father? I cannot do that. Eh? This one is too much.
Ude Jekego, Ude. Listen attentively. I toiled day and night as a young man. All I could get was just money for food, which never came at the right time. Do you know why?
No.
It is because I was waiting for the right time. And the truth remains that money doesn't come to those who are patient. It's a shame that I couldn't raise the money to bury your mother.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay. I heard what you said. The truth is this. I am saving money for our mother's burial. And I must give her a befitting burial. Don't worry yourself.
Obiajinu,
Papa.
no matter what, never be as poor as I am. If it is a curse, break it. If it is a spell, reject it. And if it is Ochu, it is not your portion. Let the gods punish me if I am misleading you. And let me pay with my head.
I should use my own father for money ritual? No, I'm not going to try it. Mama, it's not possible. Eh? What is it? What is it?
Papa is dead!
Father is dead?
Mama is dead!
Papa is dead! Are you serious? Papa is dead! No! No!
Papa is dead!
You have to pay the sum of 85,000 naira.
85,000 naira? I don't understand, doctor. But you did not treat him.
We gave him 5 injections to stabilize him and 1 pint of drip.
Even at that, doctor, well, all that amount to 85,000 naira? Because I don't have that money. We don't even have a hope on where to get it. 85,000 naira is too much, doctor.
I have other patients to attend to, please.
Can I please see his body?
When you pay the money, you see your father's body.
Doctor, let me see him.
If you'll excuse me.
Doctor. Doctor, you don't want me to see my... No. No! Papa! 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 No! Papa! Papa! Papa, why now? Papa! 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 Hey! 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 Ego eme mi ife. Alele. Ego eme mi ife. Alele. No. 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 I go away for you. I must get to you. I must get to you. Money, money, money. Udo, not the back. Not the back. Not the back. Papa, Papa, why do you want to do this to me? If you want to do this to me, Papa.
Where is your brother? Huh? Where is your brother? Oh! Oh! He thinks he can hide up where? He thinks he can hide up where, no? Come and go inside and bring your brother. We need to talk to him.
We are not leaving this compound until he comes out here to tell us when he will bury our sister. Imagine.
here
Oh
is
yeah, come and tell us when our sister will be buried. That's why we are here.
Look, the old mother has sent us. Our sister must be buried.
Bam.
At least let her soul rest. What is it? Ah!
Okay. You people are keeping quiet, eh? In fact, I will go and tell the rest of Omada to come and lay curse on you people for allowing your mother, our sister, in the mortuary for almost 1 year now. Hey! Chineke.
11 degrees.
Obiajulu, did your father tell you that he did not give his father a befitting burial?
Well, I know he couldn't have told you. Because, you see, it's a shameful thing to say. He did not give his father a befitting burial.
Yes, it was us, the Omonna, who even contributed money for his mother's burial. He could not even kill a cow for his grandfather. Talk of his father.
My elders, I heard what you said. But the truth is this, I did not call you people because I want to know all the details or the information about my late father or my grandfather. I called you because I need your help. I want you to help me and find a way to bury my father. That's the reason I called you.
He sounds like his father. Well, how do we start now? All right, you have to do your grandfather's burial first. That's his resting place there. He will bear me witness.
Obiajulu, you have to start from the head. Give your grandfather a good funeral. Kill a cow for him. Bury your mother. Before talking of how to bury your father.
If you.
Yes, if you now. So you need to buy 2 cows. Anyway, we know you are not ready yet. When you are ready, you call on us. Mazel.
Thank you. Good. God, you heard them. Hallelujah.
Brother, please stop talking like that. Are they insisting you must buy all those things?
That's what they said.
Hi, Chineke.
That's what they said.
Uzugo Biko.
Others are doing it. Why is our condition like this? Must our condition be different in this town?
Uzugo. Obi Ajulu. Obi. Brother, what do we do now?
Sometimes I wish I didn't come from this family. Really tired. I regret coming from this family.
Brother, please. Stop sounding negative.
But I've been positive all my life, yet nothing happened. Eh? What do you want me to do now? We don't have money. We are broke. We are poor. We have to admit it. Eh? It's from frying pan to fire. From hand to mouth all the time. I am tired.
Brother, you keep saying this thing. All we need to do is to channel everything to God in prayers and we'll see things happening positively in our lives. It's all right now.
I want it to be all right now. I'm tired of the hope. I want it to be all right now. Eh?
You don't kill somebody.
Biko, what is all this now? Eh? We are very poor in this village. Eh? Look at how people are mocking us. I am tired. I am tired. I want to break forth. I want to break off from these shackles of poverty.
Where have you been? What are you doing? Asking you questions. Where have you been, man? You need to be married. I know you're hungry. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What kind of life
What are you trying to do?
is
Hey!
this? If not dead
You're trying to commit suicide.
kill me, make I
You
die.
want to commit suicide? Chimo! What does he want to do me? What am I to do now? You want to die and live in this world? For what now?
I'm tired.
Give me her. Give me her. Hey! Mama didn't want to that man. I was asking Mama didn't get that man.
What kind of life is this? If not dead to be the ultimate, kill me, make I die, Jaja. Poverty is bad. It's bad. Poverty is dangerous. Money can color you. Poverty is bad.
Mama is no more. Papa is no more. And you want to kill yourself. For me to do what? You will not kill me, oh. You will not kill me, I said. Why would you even think of such? Why would you ever even think of such?
I'm tired of this life. I've tried my best. I've done everything, but it's not working. What do you want me to do? I've tried my best. It's not working.
Mama is no more. Papa is no more. You're telling me you're tired. When was he again? You want to kill me? Imagine you want to kill me. If anything happens to me, I will die. I will die.
Who be that? You won't break my Oga gate? Who be that? Obi Adu.
I am ready. I am ready. Whatever it will take, I'm ready to do it now. Take me there. Tell me what to do. Tell me how many people you want me to kill. Tell me who you want his or her blood, and I will deliver it.
That's the spirit.
Grandmaster of the Great Shankiki.
I have figured out a way to pledge my sacrifice to the Great Shankiki.
What way are you talking about?
I have a friend who wants to make money. He wants to become a member. I want to indirectly pledge his sacrifices as mine to the Great Shankiki.
The Great Shankiki does not care how you get your sacrifice. All she wants is your sacrifice.
I will bring him tomorrow.
Thank you. Grandmaster of the Great Shankiki. Great Shankiki.
Great Shankiki. What do you want from the Great Shankiki?
Money.
Are you ready to make the ultimate sacrifice?
Anything that will make me rich, I will do it.
Get your father's manhood. His eyes and tongue.
My father is dead and he's in the mortuary as we speak.
That makes it easier for you.
Is that all?
Nothing is too much to give to the Great Shankiki. The more you live, the more you sacrifice.
I will do it. I will do it.
Great Shankiki.
Say it.
The great Shankiki.
Great Shankiki.
The great Shankiki. The great Shankiki. The great Shankiki. Here are the items.
Pick a ring from here. Wear it to bed. You will receive a message from the great Shankiki by 12 midnight.
Sorry to ask. Am I going to receive a message with plenty money? Would the message come with packages, plenty money?
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. The great Shankiki. The great Shankiki. The great Shankiki. Ah! Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Oswa! Tina! Tap.
What are your bag?
Get me pen and paper.
You go excited.
Get me pen and paper. First. Hey.
Did anyone dash you money?
Don't worry. I will give Papa and Mama a befitting burial. Nga agba ọfala na the town. Nga abrozi nke a na-aga agọ. Nga agba ọfala. Ihe ha na-eri ro mgbe ha dị ndụ. I will give to them in third. So I want you to write the things that we're going to buy. Write 10 bags of rice.
Yeah.
10 bags. There. Then write 50 chickens.
Yeah.
50. I can get share the 10 bags. Yes. Then write 4 cows.
Efino.
I'm capable. Oh,
wow.
Then write 10 goats. What again?
What about canopies and caskets?
Okay. Canopies. 22 canopies. 30 canopies. Kamba ofala. 30 canopies. Then the casket, I will use glass casket to bury my father and my mother. Glass.
It will be very expensive. Oh.
I can pay. I can foot it. I will do it. You will see it.
So how much is the glass casket?
I think around 2 million.
2 million?
2 million. Write it.
You will use about 2 million to buy only abattoirs.
Write it down or make it 2.5. I'll call you on 2 of them 5 million naira. I will foot it.
Okay, 5 million for the
you don't believe me?
2 caskets.
You don't believe me? Nga boy give him a fear. Nga boy give him na this town a fear. Write it down. I'm ready. I am capable. Good. Wait for in a chifu. 10 bags of rice, 50 chickens, 4 cows, 10 goats, and 5 million naira for caskets. Any other thing? Ashebi?
I just wrote the canopies. I did not write any money.
Okay. 5 million for the casket. What about the canopy?
I don't know how much it is.
Okay. What about Ashebi? How will you dress? I want you to look good. You're my sister.
I'm not Puchi. I don't know what to say. Let me digest this whole thing.
Okay,
Then I can be able to.
Or later I will fix in 1 million naira for you to claim.
Check Kabente, wait. You know me, I know you. You know we can barely feed in this house. So where will all this money come from? Are you planning to rob a bank?
Calm down. Whenever I say a thing, you have to trust me, okay? Something is coming.
Something that you cannot tell your sister.
Calm down. You got wire at this time.
Obi Ajolo.
I will bury my father and my mother. I will give them a 15 million. You will see.
Obi Ajolo. Obi Ajolo. Mboro ne ka mkpọ gị. Ị ga-agwụkwa m ebe ị ga-eshi weta ego. Obi Ajolo, chere go.
Where is the money? What is going on? No ring, no money. I don't understand. I don't understand. Hey, how come? Nah. What is this now? Eh?
Your sacrifice has been accepted by the great Shankiki.
Thank you very much, Grandmaster of the Great Shankiki.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. The great Shankiki.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go and enjoy your wealth.
Thank you. Thank you. Grandmaster of the Great Shankiki.
Great Shankiki.
Great Shankiki.
Thank you.
sorry, Biko. I'm sorry to interrupt you. I'm sorry to stop you. You can still enter, but Biko. I thought for the very important issue. Biko.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing here? Etiko, what am I doing here? Etiko, you know you're my good friend. Eh? The ring that the Grandmaster gave to me, he said, when you get home, put it in any of your fingers. When you sleep, you will receive a message from the great Shankiki. A message filled with money. At the end of the day, I did as he said, yet I did not see money, and the ring vanished. Can
you just shut up? Which of the fingers did you put the ring on?
My little finger.
See? You see how dumb and stupid you are. Did you ask questions? I'm asking you, did you ask the right fingers to put the ring on?
Does it matter?
It does matter.
How?
Everything matters with
how?
What do you mean how? You think this is buying and selling? Everything has rules, protocols, instructions, guidelines.
Okay, I don't hear you. So how do we do it? Take me back to the Grandmaster. Let me go and see him. Let's sort this thing out. I need this money today. I need the money. Because I need the money today. I've planned out what I will buy. Things I will buy for my father's burial. I need this money, Biko.
Right from school days. But I thought with time you would have overgrown it. But you are still dumb and stupid. You think it's that easy? I'll just take you to the great Grandmaster of Shaikiki just like that?
But I know I'm going to go Ibo one night. You can ask Ibo as you want. What I need is money. Please tell me the solution. What are we going to do now? Because I need this money.
Well, as it stands, Obiajilu, you lost, which means you have got to start all over.
Hey, Biko. Nah, baby, Biko. I'm going to have this one. I don't want to hear this one at all. I'm going to have this one. What did they talk? What did they talk? Now I'm going to have this one. Let me tell you, two things will happen. I got bottom return. Either Shankiki gives me money, or my father return. I don't understand. You said I should plug the eye, I should plug the tongue, I should plug my father's Abamu. Inclusive Abamu, my father, be you need.
It is not about your father's eyes, tongue, or it's Abamu. It's about rules. You did not follow the rules.
Rules. It's not Abamu, my father, not some rules. It's not Abamu, my father, not some rules. I go. Abamu, my father, not some rules. I got bottom on the turn. I no go agree this one. You also want now call Grandmaster, great Grandmaster, great Baba. You go return my father's Abamu straight ahead. I only want to Abamu my father. I'm gonna get a bully in life. I don't talk me now. Call this man. What is the talk? Okay, now look at all this. This one is pure scam. Pure scam. Una bago mo saya nisi. One day there. Tell there. I bought for my hina mo saya nisi. Abamu my father. I got it on Abamu my father. But I got it on Abamu my father. I don't agree this one. I don't agree this one at all. I don't agree this one. I don't agree that. This is me and I got it on Abamu.
If I see this man in my compound, you have me to contact.
Okay, more here. What's this man? One day I don't agree. I'm my father. You go return on me. I'm my father. One day I got it on up. Etiko, look at Etiko, from your man. I'm from your man. When I'm from your man. Etiko. Butu, Biko.
The next time you come in front of my compound to make this useless noise, that will be your last day on earth. You hear me? Lock the gate.
Yes, sir. Hey, Oga.
Look how they bend this one.
Wah!
Hey! Oh boy, I don't fuck up. Eh? Hey! Etiko abagomo ọsọ ahịa n'isi. Etiko abagomo ọsọ ahịa n'isi. Etiko eligomu. Obi ajụrụ you don't fuck up. Obi ajụrụ you don't fuck up. Hey! 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 My father will not be happy with me. My father will be angry with me wherever he is. No, I'm not going to take this. Etiko, I will not take this at all. I will not take this. I will not take this. I will not. I will not. We'll keep an alien. Ha! I don't agree. Mankwe. Ajum. One day come selling fan, needs your queer. If they come selling fan, Etiko. Don't worry. Hey, my fellow man alarm. I don't go accept this one. I will not. I don't agree this one at all. I don't agree. I don't agree. One. More, Kelly. Look at you, don't fuck off. Just fuck off. Don't fuck off. What's even in there? How am I going to fight him? How am I going to fight Etiko with this my condition? With this my financial status, how am I going to fight him? Okay, well, in a system one day, okay, no fuma. So be a joy illegal. You don't fuck up. You don't fuck up. Queen on there. You know, we keep them now fuck them up like this. It's not nice. Eh? How am I going to fight him now? What will I do now? Okay, well, in a system, okay. Okay, where you go? I think I will fight him. I will go and fight him. Etiko, I will fight you man to man. Hey. Nekwen this house 21 years old. Chee. Atokwa. Nekwen this house. Ndaga piwashi ma akpa. Akpa momo. What did I go do? I don't fuck up. This is not nice. Hey. Daddy, I'm sorry. My father, I am sorry. I am sorry. I'm not fucking going up. I know I fucked up. I know I've messed up. I know. I will go work out to Ligo. I will go mumbo. But please forgive me. What did you go? As you did not try, I just want to try for myself too. My children will continue. We cannot remain like this now. Nobody in our family. Great-grandfather, the same thing. Grandfather, the same thing. Now your own, the same thing. I want to stop it. We cannot be feeding from hand to mouth every time. Nobody in our family. Nobody. Go to Etiko, nobody. Forgive me, Papa. Papaya, forgive me.
Brother, your food is ready, oh. Brother? Brother, I don't know what is wrong with you. Eh? You have not been talking to me. What is it?
This world is a terrible place. Diego.
I understand. Whatever it is, just know that God will always be with us. Biko, you have to eat your food. You haven't eaten anything since morning. Please. Une, Biko. Une, please. 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 Just eat your food and I'll be fine, please. Just eat your food.
2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, and 2016 till March when she died. The total amount your mother is owing is 29,550 naira plus the laity levy, the burial levy, the levy for the roofing of the church, and the building of CWO's medical center. Everything equals 98,550 naira. And that is only for your mother. As for your father stopped coming church the day he made wedding. That's his wedding day. So, your father's own, just calculate 1,020 naira times your age. That is your father's own. So, who do you want the church to bury first?
Father, Father, I thought you called me for a good news.
Good news?
Yes. I spoke with Father Mike a few days ago. I told him about my condition. He said he would call me.
What condition can be better than paying your parents' levy and the church will give them a holy burial? Don't you want your parents to make heaven?
I want them to make heaven.
Then pay.
But I'm still running around for the money.
Okay. When you run around and get it, you can come back. I'll be here for you. You can go now and have others start into. Good day, Obiajulu.
Thank you.
Who is that? Seminarian. Seminarian. Semi.
May we rest.
Hi, God.
This job is not easy.
It's not easy.
But we for do this thing. I don't know why you are the para like this.
Come and carry it. Not be to they put sand be your own.
Do you know? Look at the length. Just check the length where the sand and the building is. It is a day easy. Yeah?
See here. You see, I must go to that Mama Nuku's place. Yes, I must go and make money. By the time I go there and come back, oh God, I will be very rich. I will buy cars.
Maybe you never hear. That's why you are saying all these things. Yeah? They didn't tell you that anybody that goes there will offer one thing that is so precious to him. Like if you say na your mama na, you go offer him. Or na your papa, you go offer him. Even this you will offer it. So choose the one that you are going to offer. Because me, I don't want to even go there, sir.
Chima want them. Hi. I will not try it. I will not try it.
Ha!
So you want me to offer my odogu when I will not make money? What will I be using to enjoy this this money?
So Ijuamoye can match.
Let's go and do this thing now. They waste time here. I don't like this way when they talk.
Do what?
Well, take bread.
Wait, now do what?
No, do fast.
So as you dey pack these things, stay one place, and we where they carry them, which person they suffer pass?
Which one be suffer pass? No, the same job we they do.
Go dey put for am. Come make I dey put for you, make you go come dey carry am. Did you say it's easy to carry am go that place?
I get Ekele Eke. Kinara ni ife onida fuzo.
Ekele gịnị?
Akwụkwọ ka mpịa gị ahụ.
Bịa buru.
Ọ mara onye nwere obodo a. Ị nala afụ ụzọ ị da anụ ife.
Ije